Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is pretty early in the morning, but I wanted to make a video for you guys about my quick and simple vegan makeup routine. I have been transforming my makeup into vegan makeup, and I've been loving a lot of stuff that I want to share with you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing my entire makeup routine that's vegan, just keep on watching. The first makeup brand I actually got into when I started my makeup journey, or my love for makeup, was the brand e.l.f., and they are actually all vegan and cruelty free. So I really love that about e.l.f., that they're affordable and they're vegan. They're readily available at the drugstore. So we are going to start with the e.l.f. matte putty today, and I'm just going to put that all over my face to help mattify my face. I just take cream like this and then I just dot it everywhere, because their product actually goes like a long way. I've had it for quite a while and I've just made a dent into it. Once I finish with that, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Powder. I actually really like this powder and feel like it makes a huge difference, especially under my eyes. It almost gives that like airbrush look, or that filter look, if you will. But I like to do this because I always felt when I changed my routine to add powder under foundation, it just looked so much better. So I'm very happy they came out with this new vegan formula for their line, because I really like it. Next, we're gonna go in with foundation. Now, these two foundations I have been loving. I love both separately and I love both together. And the reason I put them together was because one was too light, one was too dark. The foundations I'm talking about are the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk Foundation, and this is the Profusion Feel Good Skin Foundation. When I tried this one, it was too light. This one was a bit too dark, and they didn't have that much in their skin range, but once you mix these babies together, they are beautiful. They work together wonderfully, and your skin just looks so good. So that's what I do to use it up, because I kind of just don't want to waste money. That's what I found, and I like it a lot. I actually saw Michaela on TikTok reviewed this, and it had bad reviews, which is funny because when I bought it, I was like, oh my god, this makes my skin feel like skin. It makes it look like skin. And that's exactly what she said. So if it may have bad reviews and you still want to try it, you may want to give it a go, because you never know. I think it's very pretty, very light, and the coverage is probably light to medium. Same with the Profusion. So I just take some on my palm and then I mix it in so that it becomes one shade. And then, so I don't waste any, I just add whatever's on the brush on my face somewhere. And I'm actually using these new Eco Tool brushes, and I really like this one. It's like a foundation brush. I've never really been too into foundation brushes. I've just used the e.l.f. Kabuki brush, which is super old at this point. I got a long time ago. But these are actually vegan as well, and I love the way that it performs. They are a little bit more on the expensive side, which is why I don't have them all, but I do want to invest in them because they are pretty good quality. They feel great, and I feel like they work really great. I just take that on my brush and then just dab it around my skin, and then I just blend it out. That's what the foundation looks like. I really like it. Once I'm done with foundation, I like to go in with my eyeshadow base. The reason being is I like to put this eyeshadow base under my crease to kind of make it tacky so the concealer will stick there. This is the Profusion Cosmetics No Budge Eyeshadow Primer. This stuff is actually pretty good. I really like it. I haven't tried any other eyeshadow primers. For my first one, I really like it. All I do is squeeze them out, put a little bit like that under my eyes. And I actually saw someone else put this in any of their crease lines, and they said, why not help with crease lines? And I agree. I'm going to take my concealer brush and just pat that in. Now that that area is prepped and ready to go, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Hydrating Concealer. This has literally been my favorite concealer for a while now. It is, I feel like, very hydrating. It looks very pretty. It just looks so good on the skin. I feel like it complements the foundation really well. So I have been enjoying it immensely. Just add to all my highlight areas messily. I just feel like this concealer is so pretty. I mean, it melts into the skin, gives that beautiful highlight that we want. Doesn't it look pretty? I really like it. I actually didn't have a vegan bronzer, but I did look up that Profusion's blush palettes are vegan. I'm gonna attempt to go in with their blush palette number 3 with this color right here. I usually go for a much darker color, but I'm hoping that this is dark enough it'll show up on the skin. Let's try it and see what happens. So far, I think it looks nice. I feel like it blends better into my skin than the other one. The other one is a little bit darker, like I said, and you can kind of see it more. It doesn't melt as much into my skin and make it look as flawless as this one I'm seeing. So I kind of actually like this one a little bit more. You know what? I actually like it. So yeah, I'm surprised. And I'm only surprised because, like I said, it didn't seem a dark enough color, but I think it is dark enough, and I think it's just subtle enough to make it look like more so actual shadows versus makeup. So that's really, really nice. As for blush, I'm gonna go back in with their blush palette number 1, and I'm going to go in with this dark mauvier color. I just saw it and I was like, let's go for that. I do like their blush palettes a lot. I feel like they have a nice peach one, they have a nice pink one. I think they had a lighter pink one. They pick up quite a bit. Like, that was maybe like 3 dabs. That's a bit. Let's go light, see what happens. Okay. Sometimes when I feel like I have too much, I like to dab on each side to kind of spread it out. But yeah, these are pigmented. They're very pretty. And I like them because you can make them subtle or you can make them very much stand out. And if you did do a lot, just blend, blend, blend. And I feel like they're actually not that hard to blend out. And they look really, really good. They just complement the skin. And I love makeup that complements the skin. I'm not the type of girl that really likes heavy, heavy makeup. I feel like it just doesn't look good on me. And it brings out more bad than right on my face. This makeup routine has just been my go-to for a while. And I've also been loving adding that hint of blush in between, right here on my nose. I just feel like that's so cute and helps give a youthful look. I know it could be like a little bit e-girl type, but I feel like if you do it subtle enough, it might make you look youthful. Today I look a little bit more e-girl. I think it's because I went with a darker blush. Wait, now I feel like I look sunburnt. Did I make the right choice? We're gonna make it the right choice. Next is highlight, and I'm choosing highlight because for my less dramatic looks and for looks that I want to be a little bit poppin', but not too much, I like to go in with my highlight and highlight everywhere. This is the Michaela X Glam Light Pressed Highlighter. I don't think it actually has a color name. This is what it looks like. It is very, very pretty, very beautiful on the skin, and I really love just to highlight in areas to highlight my face, I guess. That's why they call it that. A little goes a long way. You don't need that much. I actually bought the PR package and I was supposed to do a whole video on it. I ended up never doing a whole video on it. It just got messed up and lost in the timeline. But this was actually one of my favorite items out of that collection just because I felt like it was so good. And I was able to buy that collection because she collaborated with Glamlight, who is a vegan company. And I love doing the Cupid's bow. And my favorite part is highlighting this area of the eyes. I just feel like it's so angelic. Even when I do eyeshadow looks, I like to bring it out into the eyelid just because I feel like it blends so much more and it's so pretty. Okay, so this is the highlight for the face, a little bit under my brow bone that you can't see too much, but the eyelids and then nose and lips, those are what I like to highlight. I'm not too big. I'll take like the excess I have on my brush and lightly go over just like this, because that is like the #1 spot where I get oily. So if I already have a lot of highlight on my face, I just take the little excess on the brush like I am now, or I just forego that part. Next is eyeliner. I'm going to be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is in the shade Brown. I am going to do a wing. I'm not sure what it's gonna look like, but we're gonna do a wing. That's a really long cat eye, but I feel like it looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, this eyeliner is somewhat hard to work with just because it comes out so thick. Not thick, it comes out, it's almost like it's pouring out. Then that can also be good because you're getting so much product out that it could be easier for you to work with. Just depends on your preferences. Does that remotely look the same? Because I feel like it doesn't. I think I'm gonna leave my eyes like that just because I'm not gonna spend that much time on eyeliners today. Going into one of my favorite products ever. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean Mascara. I did a review on this mascara because I compared it to their Magnet Benefit Mascara. I'm gonna tell you guys, if you haven't seen that review, go check out that review because it was awesome. I really think this mascara is amazing. I do not have the waterproof version. I feel like the waterproof version would be even better. It goes on your eyelashes so beautifully. It separates them. The volume is there. The thickness is there. This is my favorite mascara to put on when I am not wearing anything else and I just want mascara and a gloss. And yes, I still really love telescopic, but if I want to help the animals, this is perfect, amazing, and just what I need. Like, look how pretty my lashes are. I think they are so pretty. Honestly, I would not be mad at going out with just this look. I feel like you can see my lashes. Clearly, they look good. Oh, I love that mascara so much. But because I wanted to go a little bit more glam, I decided to bring in Lashes Lash Glue for you guys. These are the Eyeliner lashes. I first found these at a Dollar Tree. They have just been coming out with set after set at Dollar Tree, and the bad thing is that they're never the same pair. So when they have a pair that I feel like I'm really gonna like, I selfishly just kind of buy them all. I like so many of their styles. I just wore some that I thought looked a little bit too dramatic in the box, but when I put them on, they were the first pair of lashes that were semi-dramatic, but they looked beautiful. And I've never had lashes other than very wispy lashes that make me feel very pretty. But oh my gosh, I loved those lashes so much, and I only bought 3 of those. I'm telling you guys, these are vegan. They're only $1. You can wear them multiple times. And along to go with that, Dollar Tree actually picked up their Eyeliner Lash Glue, which is a vegan formula as well. This is called the Everlasting Lash Glue, and I actually tried it already. It worked fine. It worked beautiful. I love picking them up because seriously, vegan beauty for $1, I'll take it. The style that I'm actually gonna wear today is called Natural Light Wispy. Once I get the lash out of its packaging, I like to go in and trim the edges because they do leave the band longer. So one thing I really like about these lashes is they have that thicker band, and what that does is when you don't have eyeliner on, or where you just kind of want to wear lashes, false lashes, that band gives you like a faux eyeliner look, and I really like that because I feel like that makes the lashes blend in so much better. Like, look at that. Close up. One thing you can do to kind of blend it in even more if you feel like you don't like that look is take your mascara and kind of take the little wand part and just try to add a bit of a thicker mascara at your tiny baby hairs over there, and this will blend it in just a little bit more. And remember guys, if you curl your lashes, it's probably gonna have a much higher lift than this, but I think it is very pretty. Okay guys, so those are the lashes. I feel like they look so good with today's look. Simple, fresh, and yeah, I love these. I really do. I'm thinking for today's look, I kind of want to do more of a pink lip to see how that looks. I know a lot of people don't like this brand, but it is still technically vegan and I personally like it. This is Lip Sense. This is in the color Sweetheart Pink. I'm not gonna go into a bunch of detail with this product because like I said, a lot of people have bashed it in the past, but I like it. I've never had any problems with it, and I like a lot of their color spread, so I'm going to put that on today. I know there's a specific way to put on Lip Sense, and I'm not doing that specific way, but I just do what works for me, and I feel like in both cases, it comes out good. I'm gonna go in with my favorite gloss, also by Lip Sense. This I definitely wear all the time, especially if I'm just wearing lashes and a gloss. This is a Diamond Kiss gloss. I feel like it just looks so good today. What I love about this gloss is it's literally just all sparkles. And on like your natural lip, it just looks so good. So yeah. Okay guys, this is the final look. I think it is beautiful. The quality of the makeup is so good, especially for it being vegan, and I'm getting more passionate about being vegan. I definitely want to be a part of that movement. I've already transitioned into being vegan food wise. Now slowly I'm starting to in every area that I can. I'm loving the journey of finding new things, seeing how amazing vegan products can be. We can save lives and look beautiful doing it without hurting anybody, and I love that and want to support that and share that with as many people as I can. So I love this look. I love the way it turned out. I think it's still so beautiful. It was fun to work with. It's obtainable. Like I said, a lot of these products, if not all of these products, okay, so every product except for this is drugstore or Dollar Tree worthy. Guys, this is very much attainable, budget friendly, and look, it looks good. So I think it looks great. My skin looks so clear. It looks skin-like. It has a very subtle glow to it, which is from the Profusion Feel Good Skin Foundation. It has a subtle glow, and I like that because, like I said, it just makes it look more like natural skin versus not. I feel like I can't hype enough about vegan makeup, and it is growing, and that makes me very excited. So if you guys want another kind of more like dramatic vegan look, I can always do that. That's it for today's video. This is my vegan makeup routine that I love, and yeah, I wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out any of my other videos from the cards above, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!